Okay, so guys, in this video, we have to find the integration of 1 divided by square root of x plus 1 minus the square root of x. So the first thing we need to do is to rationalize the denominator. Okay, so how we can do that? We can simply do that multiplying and dividing by the inverse of this function. So the inverse of this function will be x plus 1 plus the square root of x, because it is being subtracted. So when we will rationalize it, we will multiply by the opposite of that function, and we will also divide it by the opposite. So it will be 1 divided by square root of x plus 1 plus square root x dot dx. So in the numerator, we will have x plus 1 plus the square root of x divided by, in the denominator, we have square root of x plus 1 minus the square root of x multiplied by the square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x dot dx. Over here we can see that we have square root x plus 1, and over here we have square root x. Again, we have the same term, and over here we have the same term. So we can use the algebraic formula a square minus b square, which says that a minus b and a plus b should be equal to a square minus b square. So over here we have a, we have b, we have a, we have b, we have the negative form, we have the positive form. So we can use the a square minus b square format. So it will be, first of all, the numerator, we will have a square minus b square. So a is square root x plus 1 whole square minus b square. B is square root x whole square dot dx. Okay, so this square will be cancelled by this square root right over here. We will cancel, so we will have plus 1 minus x dot dx. This x will be cancelled, and we will be left with the 1 actually does not has any value, because 1 divided by 1 is actually equal to 1. So this thing will be integral of, so these terms are being subtracted, we can separate them. So integral of x plus 1 power 1 by 2 dot dx minus the integral of x power 1 by 2 dot dx. Okay, so we have the function, we have the power, we have fx, we have n. So we can write first of all the function, then the power plus 1, n plus 1. So 1 divided by 2 plus 1, and the same factor in the denominator, minus the function n plus 1, the same factor over here, plus c. Okay, so x plus 1, 1 divided by 2 plus 1 will be 3 by 2, and this will be 3 by 2, minus this will be x 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. So we have plus c. And now we can actually move this 2 towards the numerator, because it is the denominator of the denominator, and the denominator of the denominator becomes the numerator. So we have 2 divided by 3, x plus 1, 3 by 2, minus same thing over here, so 2 by 3, x power 3 by 2 plus c. So this is the final derivative of this function. Okay.